So today's walk's a little different. We're going to be starting out here in Colegiales near the hospital and heading in the direction of Villa Urquiza, which means we're going to start off here, kind of busier spot of town by the hospital, and then end up in a much more local feeling neighborhood. Check out that truck. It's nice being out in the city with the tree-lined streets. This part of the city doesn't get the same attention as Recoleta or Palermo. That's exactly what you're going to see on this walk. This part feels more lived in, more residential. Got the school there. To give you a little bit better understanding about what local life is like, not the expat popular hubs of Palermo and Recoleta. We'll find some corner restaurants and groceries on this side of town. Sometimes a little cafe. But it's not overdone like the expat districts. This is one of those neighborhoods you don't see plastered all over places you need to go in Buenos Aires, but at the same time, you still get the same feel with plenty of cafes. It's a lot of movement in the area. Very local feel. You'll see some of the buildings are a bit older. This one's a little newer with some nice charm. Got the vines going up the side. Big, beautiful, mature trees. So despite all the hype, this is still a great neighborhood to live in here in Buenos Aires. Should I say, lack of all the hype. This is Zabla Street or Avenue. and there's a little dog over there. And as we get closer to Vija Urquiza, start seeing a little bit more of the transition into the next neighborhood, where it'll be even more residential. It's going to have a different feel from Colegiales. It's going to be a little bit more relaxed, as Colegiales bumps right up next to Palermo. As you can see, as we work our way farther away from the hospital in Colegiales, traffic starts to slow. There's not quite as many shops and restaurants. Starts to slow down, become more of a residential neighborhood, even though we are on the same street. Condone. With that, we're going to turn off of this street. Make our way back south. And with its closeness to popular places like Belgrano, Palermo, Colegiales is a great spot. Find you a quiet spot that is less expensive for maybe the same amount of apartment space. So I just want to show a little different side of Colegiales in this one than we saw in the last video. Head in a completely different direction. And this is a still nice, quiet neighborhood, great for living in. And still have those beautiful tree-lined streets. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next one.